That's the what?
Second strongest country, Russia.
China and Russia, yeah.
Why is Mona Lisa famous? Why does people call it a bad day, but a good day is a sunny day? And how is a cloudy day a bad day? Dad, is it normal for people to have tall growth spurts? Dad, what's the difference between a sausage and a hot dog? Dad, what kind of kickboxing did you do, Dad?
What kind?
Yes.
Thai kickboxing.
For Abraham.
Abraham came first.
Doesn't have a trunk, right? Dad, why if you're fat you float, but people that are fat are very heavy? Dad, how big are rat wings? Dad, what's the difference between a toad and a bullfrog? Hey, Dad.